Picked up this 1969 Dodge Charger from a farm owner. It had been abandoned for over 50 years. To be honest, what I brought home was nothing more than a pile of rusted metal. No power steering, no interior, no brakes, and a completely dead engine. But I saw something no one else did. I saw a sleeping beast, buried beneath decades of dust and decay. And today, I'm here to do the impossible. I'm not just bringing this car back to life. I'm transforming it into a full-blown muscle machine with aggressive styling, premium comfort, and a 600 horsepower heart that growls loud enough to shake every corner of the street. In this episode, we're going back to square one, dragging it home, gutting the interior and tearing out the dead engine, dialing in the ride height, upgrading the suspension to true muscle legend standards. Every nut, every bolt, rebuilt from the ground up. The resurrection begins right here. I'll be honest, there's still a lot of work to do. But trust me, the best part is still to come. What do you think of the build so far? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's talk about it. And if you don't want to miss a single moment of this build, hit that follow button, smash the like, and share this video with your crew. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.